Hello guys, you are welcome to this episode with Faceless FX Trader. Today we are going to look at forex market and what the forex market is about. It's important to know what the forex market is about. People claim they are traders, but they can't really differentiate the forex market from other forms of market, but because there are different forms of financial market in the world. There is stock market, there is future trading market, there is commodity market. So what makes forex trading different or forex market different from any other market in the world? So let's jump right into it. But before that, I want to share with you one quote by Jason Clark. He says, sheer will and determination is no substitute for something that actually works. I want you to pause the video, reflect on it, and drop your comment right in the comment section. I will look at it and reply you. Let's jump right into it. So in this session, you will learn what is forex trading, who are the biggest players, what are the advantages of forex trading over other markets, is forex trading legal, what are the forex market hours. So let's jump right into it. What is forex trading? Forex stands for foreign exchange. I think that one almost everyone knows that. Forex trading is the act of buying and selling one currency while simultaneously selling another, meaning it is the act of you giving one currency away and receiving another. Imagine you travel from one country to another. Each country has their own accepted medium of exchange. So if you're in Ghana, we use CD, Ghanaian CD. If you are in Nigeria, Nigerian Naira. If you are in UK, we use pounds. If you are in United States, it's dollars. Are you getting that? So if you travel from Ghana to UK, you don't expect to spend CDs in UK. So what do? The CDs you took there, you give it out, then you receive pounds so that you can, engage in any transaction over there. Are you getting that? So that's basically forex trading. It's an exchange of one currency for another currency. An example is going on vacation in another country. When you get there, you obviously have to give away your currency to, and then collect their own so that you can spend over there. And then the forex trading or forex trading takes place on a global scale. It happens across the whole world in most major countries, which are major financial hubs like United States, like Australia, like Singapore, like Japan, like United Kingdom. All these countries are major financial hubs in the world, and forex trading takes place over there. They said forex trading is the largest and most liquid financial market in the world. $6.6 trillion market. Look at the number of zeros over there. Who are the major players in forex? You should understand that forex traders, in forex trading, they are major players in the market, and they actually determine what happens in the forex market. So it's important to know um, um, those players before you enter into forex trading. So with this chart, you see on top here there is government. The government plays major role in forex trading, and that's why forex trading is safer than other markets in the world. Why? Because the government cannot just wake up and say, let me just use this example. The UK government cannot just wake up and say, oh, we are no longer going to use pounds again. The United States president cannot just wake up and say, oh, we are not going to use dollars again. Likewise, any other country in the world. So it makes forex trading very safe. Then we have commercial banks who are also major players um, in forex trading or in the forex market. Then central banks, so basically financial institutions. Then we have investment funds or hedge funds. We have corporations. Then retail traders or individual traders like myself and you. Let's move on. What are the advantages of forex trading over other market or other trading in the world. So number one, there are low barriers to entry. So you can start with as low as $100. But then it depends on the broker you are using with. In the next video, I'm going to explain what broker or who a broker is. But then it depends on the broker you are working with, because some brokers allow as low as $10 to start trading on their platform. Alright, so it depends. But then standard or on average $100 is okay to start forex trading. Then there is high liquidity, so you can easily enter and exit the trades. The market is open 24/5. What does it mean? It is open 24 hours in 5 days. So Monday to Friday, the market is opened. By weekends like Saturday and Sunday, the market is closed. Why? Because financial institutions do not work on weekends. Right? I hope it makes sense. Does it make sense? The market is open 24/5. Alright? So you can trade anytime you want. Unlike stock market with fixed market hours, it opens around 3 p.m. and closes in few hours. Alright, but then the market for forex market is flexible. It's open throughout the whole day from Monday to Friday. Then it affords you flexibility of time. Have you ever thought about that? Having to work, sleeping and making money. That's what they call passive income. Let money work for you. If you are looking for something like that, try venturing into forex trading. Let's move on. Is forex trading legal? And of course, this is one of the questions I mostly receive from my mentees, the people and anyone I've taught forex trading at one point in their training asked me this question: is forex trading legal? And I can boldly tell you, forex trading is legal. Forex trading is very, very, very legal. So forex trading is legal in most countries around the world, like the United States, the United Kingdom, Australia, Japan, Singapore, or in all these major financial hubs. Alright, forex trading is what? Legal. It's legal, which means there are regulatory agencies tasked to what? Ensure that the forex market is running smoothly. Alright, but then it varies according to countries or continents. Like if you're in United States, licensing requirements is very different from United Kingdom, and the tax implications over there is also very, very different. So definitely, but then it's legal. The United States, European Union, United Kingdom, Australia, Japan, and many other countries, forex trading is legal. So what are the market hours? And with this, before I show you the market hours, there are 4 trading sessions in the forex market. There's the Sydney session, Tokyo session, London session, and New York session. So I'm going to show you a chart so you can see there is the New York session, there's the London session, there is Sydney session, and there is a Tokyo session. So let's look at the time these market hours are opened. I believe this table is okay to show you. Sydney session, it opens at 7 o'clock a.m. GMT, then closes at 4 p.m. Then the Tokyo session, alright, opens at 9 a.m. GMT and closes at 6 p.m. GMT. Then London session opens at 8 a.m. and closes at 5 p.m. GMT. Then the New York session also opens at 8 a.m. and closes at 5 p.m. Alright, let me take you back to show you something here. You can see here New York session here. Let's just take our time and see that New York session here opens 1 p.m. and closes at 10 p.m. Please take note. It opens at 1 p.m. and closes at where? 10 p.m. Then the London sessions open at 7 a.m. and closes at 4 p.m. So what that means is, what time do they overlap? You have to find the overlapping time. When I say overlapping time, the time where the 2 sessions are open, both London and New York sessions are open, and it's the most volatile trading session you can ever have. You see, So from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. and then from 1 p.m. to, that means at 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. Alright, both markets are open from 1 p.m. between 1 p.m. and 4 p.m. every trading day. Both London and New York sessions are open. So if you are looking for the most volatile time to trade, then you look at 1 p.m. and 4 p.m. Yeah, yeah. So basically, that's what I want to share with you today. And then let's do a recap of everything we've studied so far. Forex trading is the exchange of one currency for another, and it is traded by banks, corporations, brokers, and retail traders. The market is open 24/5, meaning it is open during the weekdays, but then weekends you can't trade the forex market. Unlike crypto market, which is open 24/7. Alright. Then forex market hours are broken down into 4 different trading sessions: Sydney session, Tokyo session, London session, and the New York session. And then forex trading is of course legal and widely regulated across the globe. I hope you learned something new about forex and have inspired you to go into forex trading. Thank you very much. Kindly subscribe to this channel and hit the like button and put on the notification bell so that you can be alerted anytime a new video is uploaded. See you in the next episode.